Traveling, Reimagined. Brief overview. After seeing the dismal state of the transit system in Houston, we decided we would design our own expansion to improve upon the existing system. We started with the basis that we were expanding using Metro Houston's resources and system. We needed to generate an expanded system surrounding Houston to allow daily commuters to ride trains rather than drive their own personal cars. After seeing the space between the office buildings downtown and the existing light rail, we decided an expansion of the light rail system was necessary as well. We had three primary goals. First, to relieve traffic each morning and night going to and from downtown Houston. The second was to improve pollution and emissions. Third was to help Metro Houston to become more profitable and more lucrative. On any given day, there are approximately 200,000 people commuting to downtown Houston via the major highways. This means every morning and every evening, approximately 200,000 cars are driving on major highways. This adds up to significant carbon emissions. There are constant traffic jams surrounding Houston, leading to more time spent in cars and even more emissions, not to mention the added stress and lowered morale of the workers. Metro Houston doesn't only dominate public transit here, it is the only source and the only company for public transit. This simple fact makes their purpose absolutely vital to the development of Houston and the surrounding area as stronger economic proponents in the future. Allowing a greater area to be covered to commute downtown would allow this to happen. Since Metro currently only has buses running outside of downtown, any expansion will be completely new systems and infrastructure, but will reach and serve a region previously untouched. Additionally, the minuscule light rail system downtown is in desperate need of an expansion, and our system will allow easier transit to the vast majority of office buildings and workspace downtown through the addition of a second line. Downtown light rail expansion. We utilized an interactive map of downtown Houston to see how useful the red line really is, and found that it only provides access to a portion of the workspace downtown. To alleviate this issue, we are proposing to add the green line, a square route along Louisiana, Rusk, Caroline, and Lamar streets, which will allow easy access to almost every major office building in the area. This expansion will promote use of the light rail greatly, as it encourages use due to the increased ease of transport. The workers in all of the office buildings near the green line will be able to easily ride trains to work rather than drive their own cars, adding several thousand more riders on the system each day. Not included, but another proposed addition would be a line providing easier access to the George R. Brown Convention Center, the Toyota Center, Minute Maid Park, and BBVA Compass Stadium. This would help game day and convention traffic be lessened greatly every night during each respective season, a welcome improvement in downtown Houston.
A significant majority of downtown commuters come from the north and west areas surrounding Houston, so we designed a system with multiple trains extending into northwest Houston. The first is a 25-mile rail extending west towards Cinco Ranch. The second extends 25 miles northwest to Cypress, and the third extends 50 miles north to Conroe. We also planned for a southeast rail to Galveston. Each rail has stops at every large highway crossing. The cost for each rail is $1 million per mile, plus another $100,000 for every single lane of traffic crossed. The Northwest Rail crosses 88 lanes of traffic. This makes the cost for just that one rail $58.8 million. Using the same formula for the Southeast, North, and West rails, the prices are $76 million, $64 million, and $35 million, respectively. This would bring the overall cost to nearly $240 million. Although the project is expensive, we believe that it would be worth the money. A study in 2008 ranked Houston as the worst polluter in all of the United States. Houston alone emits 20 million tons of carbon into the atmosphere each year. These rails would have a large impact on the amount of carbon emitted. Overall, our system will increase efficiency, create jobs, and lower the carbon emission rate in Houston.